Almost 60 years later, Pauline Mullins was shot and killed in 1967. The case in West Tennessee was never solved. She was the wife of McNairy County Sheriff Buford Pusser, a Tennessee legend. Her case was recently reopened, and TBI says there are new details poking a hole in Pusser's account of all these events. Griffin DeMarais takes a new look through the information.
The death of Pauline Mullins Pusser has always been a mystery. 60 years later, we still had no answers. That was until 2022, when there was a push against TBI to reopen the case. 2023, they received a tip about a possible murder weapon. In 2024, they did an autopsy, and now in 2025, we finally have some type of answers.
Meaning more likely than not, that would allow us, if he were alive today, to present an indictment to the McNairy County Grand Jury for their consideration against Buford Pusser for the murder of his wife, Pauline.
Before the bombshell announcement, let's rewind to 1967. Pauline went with her husband, Buford, on a late-night call, and they were on their way when they were apparently ambushed. Pauline was shot and killed. Buford was shot in the face. At least that's what he said. Mark Davidson, district attorney for the 25th Judicial District, said there were problems in his statement.
The case file reveals inconsistencies in Buford Pusser's statements to law enforcement and others about Pauline's murder, including physical, medical, forensic, ballistic, and reenactment evidence that contradicts his version of events.
According to TBI, the evidence shows Pauline was actually shot outside the car and her body was moved in, and the gunshot wound to Pusser's face, most likely self-inflicted. Pauline's brother Griffin said the news did not come as a shock.
But I knew deep down there was problems in her marriage. If I only known now what I knew then, she would have never went back to Tennessee. She would have been right here with me.
The case file of the investigation will be made public. TBI said it will be available in the next couple of days. In Somerville, Griffin DeMarais, Action News 5.